Hey everyone. Well, I hope you're hearing what I'm hearing. The sound of melting snow. Sweet. So today's the 7th of March, 2012, and it's a very beautiful day. Today's 11 degrees Celsius or 52 Fahrenheit, especially for this time of month. So today I'll give you an update on the lawn equipment and see how they're doing. And maybe I'll just give you some cold teaser starts. We won't be able to still start any of the lawnmowers because there's still a lot of snow on the ground and want to wait till they'll all melt. If the weather keeps up like this, it should be probably in 2 or 3 weeks. As you can see, we have a big puddle of water here. So in houses my 2 snow blowers, the Toro PowerShift 1028 model with a Tecumseh motor, 10 horsepower, 20-inch swath. This one's a 10.5 horsepower Mastercraft. Got a broken transmission, as you see right here. So I'm going to have to fix this over the summer. Crap. Not a very good model. This one's so much better. Okay. My swimming pool's seen better days. So you can see it's just too wet to start any lawnmowers. But we'll switch a couple blowers for you. And maybe a still trimmer. And here are all my lawn equipment. I haven't seen any of those since late October, early November. I'm definitely going to be organizing this because it's a pure mess in here. But today, I'll cold start the BR420 backpack leaf blower. I guess I'll start up this BG86. I won't do the 55, and if I can get to it, I'll cold start the FS90. So just a little teaser video before we actually do the actual cold starts in a couple of weeks. Alright, got some gas in here. Look at all the water. Okay. Set this on. So, it's a BR420 Magnum backpack leaf blower. Put on choke. It's a 57cc motor. Alright, I'm hoping you can see. Alright. So it's in the choke position. I'm going to pull it till it starts to kick. Hey, we have a runner today. Now I'll put on run. Alright, we have a high idle. Started up very good. Awesome. Sweet. Alright, let's try the 86, then we'll do the FS90 and that'll be it. Alright, BG86. I've got some gas in here. Oh, it's better to push it like this way so you can see. Alright, so you put it on choke. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you pull away. Okay, I think it needs to be primed a little more. Ah, there we go. It's true, I drained the gas in this one. There we go. Engine's cold, so let it warm up. There it goes, just back to her old self. We have a winner. And the last one I'll do is the FS90. Yeah, that's going to be tough to get to. Right now we just have very little gas left to start the other ones, so I'll wait till a couple more weeks. And yeah, here's the FS90R, the 28.4 cc 4-mix engine. Okay. Hope y'all can see. Okay, put on. 2, 3, 4. Hold the throttle. There we go. Really cool. Alright, that'll do. That will do. So, hope you enjoy this small video of the engines, as well as an update. And when the weather starts to melt the snow more, we'll definitely start the lawn buoys and the other equipment. So, thanks for watching everyone, and I do hope you enjoy it.